Best Midsize Sports Sedans for 2024 Subaru WRX. In the fiercely competitive market of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Subaru WRX stands out as a remarkable blend of performance, versatility, and technological innovation. As a staple in Subaru's performance lineup, the WRX is designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience while maintaining the practicality and reliability that the brand is known for. At the heart of the 2024 Subaru WRX is a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, generating an impressive 271 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. This potent engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a Subaru Performance Transmission, SPT, continuously variable transmission, CVT, for those seeking convenience. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, standard on all models, ensures excellent traction and stability, allowing the WRX to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.5 seconds. The 2024 WRX's performance is further enhanced by its sport-tuned suspension and advanced chassis dynamics. The standard active torque vectoring system provides precise cornering capability, while the high-performance suspension ensures a balanced and responsive ride. The WRX's low center of gravity, a hallmark of Subaru's boxer engine design, contributes to its exceptional handling and stability, making it a joy to drive on both twisty backroads and urban streets. Visually, the 2024 Subaru WRX exudes a sporty and aggressive presence. Its bold design features include a wide hood scoop, LED headlights, and a pronounced front grille. The athletic stance is further accentuated by 18-inch alloy wheels, prominent fender flares, and a rear spoiler, all of which enhance its dynamic appeal. Inside, the WRX offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The cabin features Recaro sports seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedal covers, creating a performance-oriented atmosphere. The Subaru Starlink infotainment system, with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2024 WRX. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, standard on models with the CVT, includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic pre-collision braking, and lane departure warning. Additional safety features, such as blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert, further enhance driver confidence and security. In conclusion, the 2024 Subaru WRX sets a high standard for performance and practicality in the midsize sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and advanced features, the WRX offers an exhilarating driving experience that is both exciting and reliable. Whether navigating city streets or exploring winding roads, the WRX promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.